Hello guys, hello. Today we are making a pancake, the most delicious pancake. Very easy to make, very soft and very tasty. So, and please, if this is your first time of coming to my YouTube channel, please subscribe so that whenever I upload a video, you will be notified. Thank you. So, the ingredients for my pancake is flour. I used 130 gram of flour, 2 eggs, 300 millimeter of milk, a little bit salt, and a little bit butter. And you mix all together and you leave it in the fridge for like 30 minutes. So this is what came out of it. Yeah. So I just started making my pancake. Very delicious, very delicious. Guys, you should try this at home. I promise you will enjoy it. You see, even the color alone is very beautiful, golden color. I'll put you in front of my melody. You are all. So guys, I normally use a melted butter for the pan. You can also use oil. Yeah, you just use it to rub it like this. Yeah. So you take your flour, your mixed flour. Just take one spoon like this, and you put it. That's it. So this is the one already made. You see, very soft. So you leave it the first side to cook a little bit before you turn it.